this first week of September will be coming something on September 6th will be coming across Ghost Festival that is basically celebrated by Buddhist. This was something which I was not at all aware of. Okay, so I especially read this whole part to understand what it is actually and what does it actually means. So let us read it together. Also the people who don't know, they'll also get to know about it. So it is a ghost festival celebrated by Buddhist. So it is basically like said that our ancestors who are no more with us in this world, they basically come to the earth on this particular day, and for that thing the Buddhist people and Taoism people, they perform some kind of rituals to greet their ancestors. They believe that the doors of the gates of the alternate afterlife are open. That is, once the person is not alive, the gates for their souls are different, right? So it is said that on this particular day, Buddhists believe that the door or the gate after life is open, and their ancestors come to the human realm to meet. The spirits come back to the human realm to meet. So they perform kind of rituals, some kind of ceremonies to honor their spirits, their ancestral spirits. So it basically also includes offering food, burning incense, and conducting performances such as opera and puppet shows. So of course these shows might also reflect some kind of ghosty behavior, is it? So do let me know what are your thinking, or what are your suggestions, or what are your thoughts about this festival, basically that is Buddhist Ghost Festival. The Ghost Festival, also known as the Hungry Ghost Festival, is primarily celebrated by followers of Taoism and Buddhism. The festival is held to honor and remember the deceased ancestors and wandering spirits. It is believed that during this time, the gates of the afterlife are open and spirits return to the human realm. Various rituals and ceremonies are performed to appease and honor the spirits, including offering food, burning incense, and conducting performances such as opera and puppet shows.